Well, here we are. Back at it again.
Get that out of here before it blows up.
Right. We're back at it again.
Hot?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, she's a little warm. Get that out of here.
We're still waiting on her. We're a day early. So, we gotta wait for the army tent. They'll set up there. Here she is. Rifle season. We're a day early.
2 days?
Well, we're a day earlier than we wanted to be here.
How are you pulling there?
Because we found out someone was trying to steal our spots, so. Still got another truckload of wood coming, so we should be alright. What's today? Sunday? Yeah. We're here until
Sunday.
The following Monday. So stay tuned. This one should be a good one.
Oh, it's gonna be.
We got rifles this time. Be rad.
What?
The Camp Curse Breaker. Any predictions before anybody else shows up?
I'll have one.
That's bull curse breaker though.
Oh yeah.
Opening day.
Opening day, you're gonna have one?
Opening morning.
Rieley?
What
We'll
though?
see.
We'll see.
What do
Nate?
you have though? Buck or doe?
Probably doe.
I'm gonna have buck. Buck down, buck down.
Yeah, we know how to do deer camp right. Little preview of camp at Porter John.
Sluggish or weighed down could be signs that your digestive system isn't working at its best, but taking Metamucil every day can help. Metamucil supports your daily digestive health using a special plant-based.
Everybody just sits around on their phones
Got play my game, dude.
for most of the day.
Inspired round brush head cleans 100% better than a regular brush.
But here she is for a week.
November 15th. Stay tuned. We'll knock some deer down.
That's a little one.
Let's see, what does he got?
It's tiny.
Holy smoke!
I'll let that go.
What is this? 7 or 8?
man.
Throw him back in the woods.
7 point?
Those are me. You shot him on the left side.
Hey man, you getting that one mounted? Are you gonna mount it? Oh, European? You gonna do a shoulder mount?
Alright, what's the story? How'd you shoot it?
Just walking.
Is that the only one? Is that the only one you've seen? Oh.
Take a picture. I got one.
Well, hey, that's what they look like. Glad you get to show us what they look like, because we don't know. They're brown.
Photographic picture.
Yeah.
What do they look like?
I thought they were black and white stripes.
It's good looking buck.
Thought the bodies were bigger.
Was your grandpa mad you shot a 7-point?
What?
Was he mad you shot a 7? Oh, so I thought it was 8 or bigger. Did you drop it or did he run?
Ran about 60 yards.
What gun you got?
243.
243. 15 yards?
Quartering away, you gotta shoot. I'm like, take a shot, you can cross the road now. I'm like, okay,
Nice buck.
I would have let it grow, in my opinion.
Yeah, whatever.
A little small for my taste, but
I see one of them out here.
I passed up exact same one this morning.
Congratulations.
Good job,
Great
Brent.
job, buddy.
Job. At least somebody can shoot them.
Oh, sorry. Why's the pointer right at me?
Because.
You know this one here.
Yeah, you gotta get in there and explain how you missed.
Yeah, let's hear your story. Day 2. We're looking for them brown things that run around the woods. What are they called?
Squirrels, orange and
Deer. Deer, that's what they're called. We don't know what they look like. So be free to comment.
Well, we've seen pictures, but
Yeah,
we've seen a flat one in the back of the truck.
Then we seen a flat one in the back of the truck that my cousin shot. So
I'm gonna have to get my video out just to watch
if we don't,
what it looks like.
yes, can you send me? Yeah, no chasing, no tracking.
No, he dropped.
At least you got to see one.
I've seen the doe. The doe.
You weren't gonna kill her?
Well, no, because when they came in, I'm standing up smoking and I seen his antler. I'm like, oh, that's a buck. So I'm freaking putting it out, put my butt on the seat, grab my gun, and all of a sudden it came through. Where the hell did your antlers go? So then, come this way, she pisses. And all of a sudden she turns and looks at me. I'm like, uh-oh. So I'm already like this with the gun, waiting for him to come down. And all of a sudden she starts walking away, trotting. I'm like, oh, you ain't going nowhere.
Maybe we'll start seeing them now.
Shot through some brush and shit, so I was like, I don't know about
That
that.
snow keeps falling away,
But-
it does.
Boom, he dropped. I'm like,
That sun comes out like it was this morning. A little bit.
You know what we need right now?
he's a decent
Honestly?
Wind.
No, just one good 50-mile-an-hour breeze. Blow all this shit off real quick.
Yep.
Because look at it fall.
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah, it does suck. Bumped the tree by my tent and it all just fell right on me.
Well, look at that. We got a deer at deer camp. Can you believe it? I'm taking 19 pictures of it so I know what it looks like.
Yep, and Nate don't need to shoot the first one, so I was excited about
Nate
that
gets the
too.
spot on that bit.
Yeah, I'm
Out here 2 years.
We gotta
But
see
it's
how much
my
he weighs. Is
First
he
buck
big?
out here. My first buck ever out
Big
here.
body?
Decent. He's an older deer. You can tell.
No teeth.
Oh, I didn't look at that.
Whew. So the 308's on.
Oh, dead on. Shot him right through just the top of his, right above his shoulder. Just destroyed his spine. That's why he dropped.
Well, there goes all the good stuff.
No tracking though.
Yeah.
Hey man,
Well, I didn't hear you shoot. We heard nothing.
I shot
How many more baby
What
nipples
time?
you got?
just before 10.
It's 10 now.
So I'm like, dude, do I sit down? What do I do? I'm like, oh, shoot.
Are they gonna come here with it or what?
You know Zach, he drives slow. Plus it's on the, they didn't
Ooh.
shut the tailgate.
A big drop.
Well, that's good. Maybe Nate broke the curse and we'll start killing them.
I think Brandon put a curse on
now we
us.
gotta figure out how to get it up there.
Yeah, Will's gonna have to
Four-wheeler?
move his four-wheeler.
He's got a nice one on this side.
Yeah.
Like this. Little nub on this side.
Wall mounter.
Huh?
Wall mounter.
No, he ain't a wall mounter. Oh, yeah. probably ain't be able to clean it up, man. Probably should though. Should have. We just pull it out. Tag deer out there.
Yeah, we actually did lose them.
We did.
Dude, we turned around and also looked back to him like, guys, he's not on the bed. He was on the ground he looked like a contortionist.
He was an 8 point. He better still be an 8 point.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh, is that what I get? Oh, yeah.
He's only a strike now.
What the hell?
Dude, check it out. I took a picture for you.
You really dropping? He fell off the
Yeah, I did the turnaround there and it was fucking bumpy. We look back there, it's like, we lost him. Just sitting back there.
Oh, poor guy. I didn't check to see if he had teeth. Yeah, he does.
Yeah, here he was.
Oh. Dude.
Oh my god.
I look back there, I'm like, oh god, he's got. So me and Andy, Brandon was still in the truck. Me and Andy put it back in the truck. I'm like, all right, Andy, on the count of 3, we'll swing him. And we're like, 1, 2, and on 2, Andy's like, 2, and it throws him. Like, Andy, what the f-? So the head hit the tailgate and it dropped back down. I'm like, damn, Andy. So we ended up going on 2 on the next try. Each swing though, the head was hitting the ground. Then when we tossed him, the head hit the tailgate. It's like, boom. I'm like, okay, we just gotta slide him.
He's already dead. You guys ain't gotta knock him out.
We're just making sure, double checking.
That's funny.
He's dead, dude. You ain't got to beat him up.
That's the biggest buck I've ever seen in my life.
First one out here at Langston for me.
Oh, yeah, show Lakelynn?
I want to show Lakelynn.
Say, look what Uncle Nate got.
I got a small deer.
Yep, that's what she'll say. That's a small one.
That's not small.
Smells
You should-
hoping for
You
She's
should
the
take
three.
a
What'd
picture
she
and
say?
send it
Did
to
you even
Mackenzie.
see the horns when you
Nothing.
shot?
I don't know.
Yeah, I was standing there smoking a cigarette, and then that's when
God, you don't sound like Adam.
he came in. He came in on his good side,
Y'all just don't sugar
and that's when I'm like, all right. So I grabbed my freaking thing, but I didn't know there was 2. That doe came around. I said, "Where's her antlers? I swear I just seen one."
Can you face
And then
them
that's
on
when she
Facebook?
came around. Damn near, she came 20
Messenger.
yards because he was chasing her. Turned, she took a piss, and that's when I was like this, waiting for him to come around the tree there. She looked at me, and I'm like, I just froze. I'm like, oh, I see you, I see you. She's looking around, she can't find me. She's like looking.
Did she stomp her feet?
No.
Oh, that's good.
But then she turned around and started trotting away, and that's when I seen him. He stopped, and I'm like, nah, you're
Well, where's Cute Cute?
Ooh! Drop.
Is that my wife? Tell her to quit using the washer.
Oh, I have a washer.
She sent me a video. Looks like one of the pipes made.
She said,
Alright, whatever.
Ash, we're recording.
where's Cute Cute?
I was just gonna call her. Why you always gotta do
I'm going to give it to you.
this, mother?
Because it's his cute.
A guy was selling them on Division. He just opened a business up. It's a
Hey, Cute
reconditioned
Cute.
washer.
You wanna see what Uncle Nate got?
Worked great
Look.
for the first 2 weeks.
Oh,
3
hold
weeks.
on. Uncle Nate gonna show you.
All of a sudden now,
Guess I got a
water one
box
shut
of
off.
them in my truck.
Hey, Uncle Nate got this morning. Look what I got this morning. I got a spike.
Hello, guy.
Why does everybody say that?
Hey, at least you got one, unlike the other guys.
Right.
It's 96 pounds.
Beat yours last year.
Yeah, beat yours last year. What's that? What mine was last year? My dope? Like 90 something?
I'm not for sure.
What's she say? What Lakelynn? Oh, Henry wants to see it. We're gonna show Henry. Henry! Yeah, Nate says, don't turn your heater on unless you're really, really cold.
It wasn't that bad this morning.
No, so I was looking at my heater. Well, I'm not cold yet. Not cold yet. 10 o'clock. Yeah, I'm cold. Everybody's like, well, we're all heading back, and someone said Nate shot one.
Heading back at 10, what you talking about? Head back at 8:59. I was like, I'm out of here.
What time did you come back?
8:59.
What'd he say?
He said it's a big one. Henry said it's a big one.
God, I hope mine's not frozen to the ground.
What'd he say?
Henry said it's a big one.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's Nate's boy.
All right, here you go.
You're right.
Yeah. All right, what's up, Henry? Henry.
At least he knows how to
Oh, no, I got it wrong.
Let me get a. Oh. Yeah, let me get a. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you want to see your dad? There's Dad. Brandon.
For failure. Oh, his nose hairs? What's going on here?
Michael, what are you doing? All right, well, we'll see you guys later, okay?
Son of a.
We'll let you know if we get one, okay?
4 feet, baby.
Right on
All
your
right, love you.
Damn.
A deer and 4
Love
feet?
you.
How do you do it?
Okay, bye.
You're gonna shoot the doe now.
No, I'm gonna shoot his dad.
Nothing.
Nothing.
But Rieley and Will, Camp Dad, they shot
4.
Riley got 3. Will got 4. Or Will got 1. I don't know where to. Do they need help?
No, we're gonna find out in a minute.